What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me, bro? I'm so excited to make some beats today, so let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. I also want to thank the sponsor of this video today, Skillshare. Thank you so much for making this video possible. It really means a lot to me. Skillshare is an online learning community with like thousands of classes. They even got like music theory and music production classes, so that is super crazy. I wanted to improve my knowledge on like these house melodies and like these house beats and stuff, so I found this course on Skillshare from Martin Svensson. I really could get a nice idea on how to start with like these house and techno melodies by watching this course and just like implementing this inside of FL Studios, and that is just like really nice, to be honest. I was like, why not invest in myself and my personal growth? So that's why I joined Skillshare. If you actually click the link in the description, the first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. But yeah, it's super fire in my opinion. I might just check out some more courses as well. I already checked out the finances. Like if you're trying to like learn a new skill, Skillshare is definitely the way to go. But yeah, make sure to go check out the link in the description. It's super fire, so let's get it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Showed you how to make like a really smooth and wavy type beat. Maybe I can hear Drake on this one, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.